Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make a perfect watermelon mojito like a pro. The refreshing watermelon mojito is beautifully concocted with white rum, lemon, mint leaves, fresh watermelon, and a splash of soda. I hope you will like this recipe. So let's go and jump in. Take a tall glass of about 400 milliliters or 14 ounces. Add 4 to 6 pieces of lemon, and 6 to 8 fresh mint leaves. Now pour 45 milliliters or 1.5 ounces of white rum. Today I am using a Bacardi white rum, but you can use any white rum of your choice. After the white rum, pour 15 milliliters or half an ounce of watermelon syrup. The next ingredient is simple syrup, so pour the same amount of it. After the simple syrup, pour 60 milliliters or 2 ounces of fresh watermelon juice. I think you are enjoying this recipe. Perfect. Now lightly muddle for 8 to 10 times, and be careful, as over-muddling can intensify the bitterness of the cocktail. Please check the description box for the detailed recipe, and if you have any suggestions or queries, please feel free to contact me. I will be happy to hear from you. Now add lots of fresh crushed ice. Fresh ice plays a vital role in mixology, as it melts slowly, and keeps the cocktail fresh for a long time. Now top up the mojito with chilled soda. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes and mixology tidbits. The watermelon mojito is now almost ready, so let's garnish it with a fresh mint sprig and a slice of watermelon. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to stir the cocktail before drinking. Cheers! Have a great weekend! Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching.